Better words instead of good. Let's go. Excellent. Excellent. Your English is excellent. I can really see your progress. Your English is excellent. I can really see your progress. Fantastic. Fantastic. That's fantastic idea. Let's do it. That's fantastic idea. Let's do it. Amazing. Amazing. The view from the top was amazing. The view from the top was amazing. Awesome. Awesome. You did an awesome job on your presentation. You did an awesome job on your presentation. Brilliant. Brilliant. That's brilliant way to solve the problem. That's brilliant way to solve the problem. Outstanding, outstanding. Her performance was absolutely outstanding. Her performance was absolutely outstanding. Impressive, impressive. Your writing skills are really impressive. Your writing skills are really impressive. Remarkable, remarkable. It's remarkable how quickly you've learned. It's remarkable how quickly you've learned. Wonderful, wonderful. We had a wonderful time at the party. We had a wonderful time at the party. Terrific, terrific. You're a terrific friend. Thank you for your help. You're a terrific friend. Thank you for your help. Splendid, splendid. What a splendid afternoon for a picnic. What a splendid afternoon for a picnic. Superb, superb. The food was superb. I'd love to eat here again. The food was superb. I'd love to eat here again. Incredible, incredible. That movie was incredible. I didn't accept the ending. That movie was incredible. I didn't accept the ending. Fabulous, fabulous. You look fabulous in that dress. You look fabulous in that dress. Marvelous, marvelous. We had a marvelous vacation by the sea. We had a marvelous vacation by the sea. Delightful, delightful. It was delightful meeting you again after so long. It was delightful meeting you again after so long. Lovely, lovely. What a lovely surprise to see you here. What a lovely surprise to see you here. Pleasant, pleasant. The weather was pleasant all day long. The weather was pleasant all day long. Enjoyable, enjoyable. The class was really enjoyable. I learned a lot. The class was really enjoyable. I learned a lot. Favorable, favorable. The results were favorable for our team. The results were favorable for our team. Decent, decent. That's a decent price for such a good product. That's a decent price for such a good product. Solid, solid. She gave a solid performance throughout the game. She gave a solid performance throughout the game. Neat, neat. Wow, your handwriting is neat. Wow, your handwriting is neat. Cool, cool. That new phone looks cool. That new phone looks cool. Dope, dope. Your outfit is dope. I love it. Your outfit is dope. I love it. Let's, let's. The party last night was lit. The party last night was lit. Rad, rad. That skateboard trick was rad. That skateboard trick was rad. Perfect, perfect. Everything turned out perfect. Everything turned out perfect. Super, super. You're doing super job. Keep going. You're doing super job. Keep going. Magnificent, magnificent. The castle looked magnificent at sunset. The castle looked magnificent at sunset. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.